Cherry fruitworm, Cydia packardi, is a pest of sweet cherries and cherries. It also damages hawthorn, quince, apple, plum, common chokecherry, pyracantha, pear, Rosa and Vaccinium plants. Cherry fruitworm is found in North and Central America, with more in coastal regions of the United States, Canada, and Mexico.
Вишневая плодожорка повреждает плоды, поскольку отродившиеся гусеницы прогрызают ходы, проникают в плоды.
The hatched caterpillars of the cherry fruitworm gnaw through the tunnels and penetrate the fruits. Well, for example, at the Vaccinium, the female lays an egg on the sepal, from which a young caterpillar emerges. It penetrates into the fruit. When cutting the fruit, berries, we find the caterpillar itself and traces of its activity, excrement. When the fruit trees are affected by cherry fruitworm, the tips of the young shoots are wilted dead. New shoots from the lateral buds are formed. Shoots are zigzag-shaped, warped.
Вишневая плодожорка зимует на стадии гусеницы 4-го возраста.
The Cydia packardi is overwintering at the 4th caterpillar stage of instars. After pupation, an imago emerges from the pupa, which spreads and lays eggs on ripening fruits and terminal shoots, the leaves of these shoots. The hatched caterpillar gnaws through the tunnels in the vegetative shoots, thereby affecting a significant number of shoots and damaging the developing plants. The Cydia packardi is a small grayish-brown moth. The female's wings have a more intense color, in the middle of the wing, with broad transverse band across middle of brown hue.
Нижняя сторона крыльев у самцов характеризуется коричневым пятном у основания и до середины крыла.
The lower side of the male's wings is characterized by a brown spot at the base and up to the middle of the wing. There is also a darkened area at the top of the lower wing. If we talk about the front legs, the diagnostic characters are based on a wing venation. The forewing length is 4 to 5 millimeters, the wingspan is up to 11 millimeters. The Cydia packardi caterpillar is up to 9 millimeters. The coloration can be reddish, creamy. Referring to the morphological characteristics, there is an anal clasper in caterpillars. This is a sign that is typical for the species of the Graphilida genus. There are characteristics of abdominal prolegs, chaetotaxy, and spinacula, on which the setae are located. This is also important for diagnostics. Unfortunately, the diagnostic keys of the North American species of Graphilitini are poorly developed, and there are difficulties in diagnosis. Molecular and genetic methods of identification can be recommended as additional methods. Insecticides are the most effective as means of controlling the Cydia packardi, as well as daily collection and recovery of fruit droppage and affected fruit, treatment of transport packaging, spudding through soil around the trees, removing plant residues.